Daniel moved into a shared house with strict, eerie rules like never using the bathroom between 3 and 3:30 a month. At 2:34 a.m., an antique typewriter started typing by itself. He won't leave like the others did. Security footage showed a breathing shadow, but no one was there. At 3:17 a.m., the shower turned on alone, steam spelling out 7 nights. Then Daniel found a secret stash, his own student ID, photos slowly blurring. He disappeared without a trace, but his clothes stayed, and the typewriter keeps typing. Would you live with a roommate who never leaves? That's just one chilling glimpse. Watch the full story on the channel.